you are a short content creator, then you need to get in here. With this new YouTube monetization update, you may have to change the way that you think about creating shorts. That's one reason I have decided that I'm going to keep using my strategy of creating 72 shorts a single day. And no, I'm not saying that you need to post 72 shorts every day. I'm just talking about creating them in batches, because if you want to generate millions of views without spending your entire day making one shot or burning from creating shorts every day, then you need a system that works. So let me show you how I create 72 shorts in a day, why it matters to me, especially after these new updates from YouTube, and how you can use the same idea if you wish. Okay, so if you've been following my channel, you've probably seen my videos about this YouTube monetization updates, and also I've created videos about short earnings and how I post shorts every day. One thing that stood out to me about this new update is the requirements about short views and short earnings. So YouTube says that creators need 10 million qualified short views within 90 days for short ad revenue sharing. What this simply means is that if in a period of 90 days you haven't gotten up to 10 million views, qualified views on your shorts, then you don't get paid. What's not clear though, does this mean that payments can only commence after every 90 days? Because obviously they need a period of 90 days to determine if you made 10 million qualified views. So does that mean that you don't get paid until after every 90 days? Completely clear yet, but YouTube is going to update us as we go. Okay, before it's February 2027, I guess we all are going to get a clear view on everything. So but before then, you just need to come up with a strategy. You just need to work harder and start implementing new strategies so that when February 27 comes, you'll be ready. Now, when I saw these new YouTube updates, I checked my own numbers, and I currently post about 4 shorts a day, and I had about 3.5 million short views in 90 days. So I asked myself, if I want to reach 10 million views within 90 days, what do I need to do? What do I need to change about my strategy? Well, the answer wasn't simply to post more, which of course I need to do, but I also needed a better content production system. So let me be clear. I am not saying 72 shorts will give you views, okay? The truth is that you can create 100 shorts and none may go viral. You can even create 20 shorts and 10 will go viral. I can't control how many views each short gets, but I can control how efficiently I create quality content and how much content I can post. So here's my strategy. I choose one day each week to create shorts. For me, that's Monday, because I feel very productive. I tend to feel very productive on Mondays. I usually start around 10 a.m. So when I'm using viral sound from the short feeds, I prepare 12 outfits. My goal is 6 shorts per outfit. 12 outfits multiplied by 6 shorts, that gives you 72 shorts, right? And I don't need 12 completely different outfits. I can use one pair of black pants with different tops and create 6 shorts with each combination. I can also use dresses or other outfits. Just be flexible with it. The important thing is that I have a target of 6 shorts per outfit, so I keep going until I hit my targets. Now if I do this twice in a week, that's 144 shorts. I save everything in my drafts and then schedule my shorts for the week. If I don't finish scheduling everything at once, I come back later in the week and I schedule the rest. This strategy has helped me almost never run out of shorts. Previously, I posted about 4 shorts a day, but because of the new shorts monetization requirements, I am now looking at my content production differently, and you should do that as well. Okay, so I'm not saying everyone needs to post 8, 10 or 72 shorts in a day. The point is to build systems that leads you to create more quality content without burning out. Now, because I already have a content bank, I now have the flexibility to test 8 or even 10 shorts in a day. Now, this is a strategy that I am currently using. The only difference is that previously I do schedule 4 shorts per day, but now I can decide to schedule as much as 8 shorts or 10 shots a day without running out of shots. And I'm definitely sure that with scheduling more shots or posting more shots daily, I'm going to be very close to hitting 10 million views in 90 days. I hope this strategy of mine made sense to you. I hope you learned something from it. And now, like I said in the beginning of this video, you can choose any day of the week that works best for you. You can also choose the quantity of contents that you can decide to create a day. You can decide to batch create, right? For me, I'm doing 72 a day right now, and that works for me. I start 10 a.m. and because I have to create quite a lot, I have to use viral sounds, right? Most of the time I use viral sounds, and then I have to stay like the almost the entire day. But it's worth it. I mean, I just decided that today is a day of content creation, and I do that the entire day, and I actually do feel fulfilled whenever I am done. All right. So, but you can choose what works for you, right? As long as the quality of content that you're putting out is really good, then you're going to get views. But considering this new monetization update, I'm just trying to tell you that you are going to need to double your efforts. Okay, except maybe before now you get millions of views in 30 days. Maybe you get like 10 million views in 30 days. Okay, then this video is not for you. Bye bye. This video is not for you. But for those of us who are new short creators, I am just 3 months old in short creating. Okay, before now I just do long form, but now I'm doing both, and I'm just 3 months in content, in short content creation. And like I said to you guys, I showed you guys, I have just 3.5 million views from the it's not even up to 3 months. I started in June. I started in mid June, July, August. Okay, yeah. So we're just 2 months plus. All right, and I have 3.5 million views now. That's in naira. 3.5 million views now. So if you've been a short content creator for many years now, I guess you probably be meeting. You're probably hitting 10 million views in 2 months in 60 days. Okay. Um this is where we end this video. All right, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I hope this video was able to help you plan your shorts production strategy going forward. I'll see you in my next video. Clackets. Bye.